The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for DraftKings with the ticker symbol DKNG. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first cover what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for DraftKings. Let me just zoom out. Let's just take note of the massive downtrend that this stock was inside of since March of 2021. It was trading at the $73 level and it crashed all the way down to pretty much the low $10 levels. So let's zoom back in. So this stock is a little divergent from the SPY. You can see we started having a nice impulse up in mid-July while the whole market was kind of going down. So we had a nice impulse up, pretty much a breakout of this range pattern. So it looks like prices were finding support at this 1077 level and resistance right around the 1460 level. And you can see that we had a breakout of it. We even exceeded doubling the range, which is normally a breakout. So that's a good sign. It means there's some strength to this breakout. And prices did fail and try to come back to test the breakout. But you see that there's strong buyers in the market. There's buyers are stronger than sellers, and looks like aggressive buyers are bidding up the price. So since we had this large impulse up, which we have not seen a new high of, that would be my next target. It looks like we're coming back to make a new high of this up move at the $21, $22 level. And it makes sense because there was this downtrend in play, which has played out. So the correction in my eyes has played out because we had this little trend right here, a break, a few legs down to a new low, which is normally what you expect. It's also 2 legs down. This was the first leg. We pulled back a little bit, and then we had the second leg. Obviously, the second leg wasn't a perfect measured move, but it's not always perfect. And now we're had a nice rush above the EMA, which tells me that something has changed. We pulled back and found some type of support, and now we had another move up. So this is a very good sign. It does look like there's gonna be some continuation to the upside. And also, if I do a Fibonacci retracement from the lows to the highs, we found support right at the 50% retracement. So pretty bullish chart as of right now in the short term. I'm not sure about the next 6 months. Once we make that new high or even go a little bit above, we could come back all the way down. So that's another thing to keep an eye on. But at least in the short term, this chart does look pretty bullish. It does look like it wants to continue up. So that's all I have for the daily chart. Let's go and wrap it up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for DraftKings, and we can see all the price action that this stock has. And you can see that we pulled down all the way to the pretty much the IPO price right around this $10 level. And that's where we found strong support. What a coincidence that we came back right where we had this entire up move in the past. So you can see that we came back right to this horizontal line, which is the support at the mid $10 level. We had a triple test of it. You can see this was the first test, this is the second test, and this was right around the third test. Saw a massive move up. You can see that before, prices could not get even near the EMA or even push through it, and then all of a sudden we pushed through it. So that tells me that there's definitely some aggressive buyers in the market. So we had a nice move up and we pulled back, and this could have failed, or we could have fell down all the way, but you can see that we bounced from the EMA and we closed above it. So this looks strong. It looks like we're going to come back to retest these highs. I would say my first target is the mid $21 level, and then they could possibly take out the $25 level. So that's where the measured move is. This is the first leg up, second leg up. It's right around the $25, $26 level. I'll mark where the horizontal line. So as right now, this chart does look pretty bullish. You can see that there was this downtrend in play right here, meaning prices and traders were looking at this downtrend and taking shorts as long as prices are in this trend. Now we kind of starting a bottoming pattern where we have a trend down, aggressive trend down, and then we start kind of flattening out, and now we're starting to see some type of upwards movement. So it's a little too early to call. We're kind of like in this phase right now, but it does look promising, at least in the short term. So I only have good things to say about DraftKings. It does look like the chart's pretty bullish. I'm looking for the mid $21 levels. And if we break that and we continue higher, the next area I'm looking for is the high 25s, low 26. And that's all I have for DraftKings. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time and bye.